Hey YouTube, what's going on? Alan here, Front Page Fab. We're heading down to the shop today. It's December 26th, the day after Christmas. Took yesterday off to spend time with the family and just have a good time, hang out, which we did. But now it's time to get back to work. We gotta get this transmission up in the hot rod and get it ready to take it down off the jack stands and turn it around so we can pull it in and get the new door hinges installed and fun stuff like that. So that's what we're getting ready to do. I hope you guys all had a wonderful Christmas. Guys, here's the finished product on the left side door hinge. Let's get in the shop and build something. All right. Alright, I had to repair a crimp because somehow quick connect got smashed. So I'm going to get up in there. Safety first. Alright, what we're doing now is we're putting the shifter cable on. I have the shifter in park, and as you can see, I just need to roll that back a little bit. So what I got to do is loosen up this nut here, and then I can spread it and move it back a little bit. Okay. And make sure I don't smack myself in the face with it. Oh, perfect. All right. So I just rolled that back so that I can put that there. And I'd already made sure that it was in park, but I am going to double check that here in a minute because we have to be absolutely sure. Now, I also need to move this out of here because I don't want it to interfere with anything. Let's just do it this way. in too far, and I want to go out, not in.